Hi everyone and welcome back to the Enlightened Edge. Today we are going to look at the 6 most eco-friendly inventions of 2022. First up, we have the Orbi Food Waste Monitor. Orbi is a startup that offers a fully automated food waste monitor for professional kitchens called Orbi. This device scans food that's being thrown away and measures the type, quantity, and time of day, allowing restaurants to improve their operations and reduce waste. In 2022, Orbi saved over 337,000 meals, 281,000 liters of water, and 684,000 kilograms of CO2, and it won the UA Food Tech Challenge. This year, the device is set to expand to the US, making it easier for more kitchens to join the fight against food waste. Next, we have the Rocketbook Reusable Notebook. Rocketbook's smart reusable notebook connects traditional writing surface with the cloud, reducing paper waste. In 2022, the company introduced 5 new eco-friendly products, and this year they are releasing the Fusion Plus Smart Notebook and Planner with 60 pages for various purposes. So, now you can take notes, write down your ideas, and organize your life all while being eco-friendly. The third invention is Climbworks Direct Air Capture and CO2 Storage Plant. Swiss startup Climbworks broke ground for the construction of world's largest direct air capture and CO2 storage plant. Mammoth in 2022, the facility is set to be completed in 2024. Will remove 36,000 tons of CO2 from the air each year. And Climbworks' exciting plant, Orca currently captures 4,000 tons of CO2 per year and stores it underground. Street Bond Reflective Pavement Coating. GF's Street Bond Reflective Pavement Coating helps reduce urban heat island in cities by reducing heat absorption and cooling the area by 10 to 12 Fahrenheit. In the summer of 22, 1 million square feet of street, parking lots, and basketball courts in Pacoima, LA were coated with the material, and residents have already reported a drop in temperature. This invention not only cools down the city but also makes it more pleasant place to live. Fifth, we have the Target Sustainable Backpacks. Laptop and computing accessories brand Targus introduced to Cypress Hero Backpack in 2022, made from 22 recycled plastic bottles. Now you can carry your laptop and all your essentials while also being environmentally responsible. Next, we have Smart Tire Company Airless Tires. In 2022, the Smart Tire Company unveiled its updated airless bike tires, the METL. These tires are easier to produce and more cost-effective than traditional tires, reducing waste and improving sustainability. This invention is not only great for the environment but also for our safety, as airless tires cannot puncture or go flat. So these are 6 most eco-friendly inventions of 2022 that are changing the world for the better. In conclusion, these 6 eco-friendly inventions of 2022 shows us that there is a lot of potential for making our world a greener place. Let's continue to support and encourage sustainable innovations so that we can build a better future life. So thanks for watching.